Hello and welcome to the palm leaf square, the 10th square in the sampler square blanket. For materials, we will start with a basic size 4 yarn. I'm using the color linen, a 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start, we will loosely chain 26. For row 1, single crochet into the second chain from hook. Then chain 2. Skip the next 2 chains. Now place a single crochet. Chain 2. Again, skip 2 chains, place a single crochet. Continue this down the row. Chain 2, skip 2 chains, then place a single crochet. Your last single crochet should be in your last stitch. When you're done with the row, you should have 8 chain 2 spaces. For row 2, we will chain 3. This does count as your first double crochet. Turn your work, then place a double crochet into the same stitch. Now, place 3 double crochets into that 1 single crochet. Go to the next single crochet and place 3 double crochets. Repeat this down the row. When you get to the last single crochet, only place 2 double crochets. You should have 25 double crochets when you are done with the row. For row 3, chain 1 and turn. Now, place a single crochet in the very first double crochet. Chain 2, skip 2 double crochets, place a single crochet, chain 2, skip 2 double crochets, then place a single crochet, and repeat this down the row. When you are done with this row, you will have 8 chain 2 spaces. To complete this square, you will need to repeat rows 2 and 3 until your square measures approximately 7 inches. When your square reaches the 7-inch mark, do not fasten off. You will work the edge next. For round 1 of the edge, chain 1 and turn. Now, place 3 single crochets into the next stitch. After working your corner, you will place 25 single crochets evenly spaced along the side. You will repeat these instructions around the square. Each corner gets 3 single crochets and each side gets 25 evenly spaced single crochets. To join, you will slip stitch to the beginning chain 1. For round 2 of the edge, chain 1 and single crochet into the same spot. In the next stitch, place 3 single crochets. When your corner is done, you will then place 27 evenly spaced single crochets along the side. Repeat this around the square. 3 single crochets into each corner and 27 single crochets evenly spaced along each side. To join, you will slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. Then you will pull a long tail and cut and remove the working yarn. This square is a little different because the front side of this square is when the starting tail is on the bottom right corner. Your palm leaf square is now finished.